What is information security? Information security is the means of defending information or data stored either physically or electronically from being accessed by unauthorized personnel. During World War II, no one knew that the US had nuclear weapons. The then President of the USA, Franklin D. Roosevelt, approved of the Manhattan Project that paved the way for the creation of the Little Boy and Fat Man in 1939 itself. 6 years from then, after the demise of Roosevelt, when Harry S. Truman took over as president in 1945, he approved the dropping of the bombs in the Japanese cities. If the Japanese or the rest of the world had known about this earlier, they would have started developing their own nuclear weapons. The information was kept secret, but now over time, this information is available to all. Information gets dissipated over time. It is all about how it is being guarded at the moment. When the information is not secured enough, it becomes available to everyone. This weakness or gap in the system, which may allow an intruder to gain access to the information system, is known as vulnerability. When an intruder is able to use this vulnerability to arrive at sensitive data in the system, it is termed as an exploit. It has always been a tug-of-war between the terms vulnerability and threat. What is a threat, and how does it differ from vulnerability? Threat is a factor that can cause harm to a system, and the system has no control over it. But a vulnerability is a flaw in the system itself, which can definitely be treated. When explained like this, what are the possible threats?